Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to create and configure a select property type in the Academy. This property type allows you to create a predefined list of options and assign only one value to a learner. Go to the Properties and Variables in Manage Learners and Teams section and click Create Property. Enter the property label and select the select type from the list. Once selected, a field for the first option will appear along with the Add New Option button. Add all the values you need for your property. You can create as many options as necessary. If there is only one option, it cannot be deleted. If there are two or more options, each option will display a delete icon. You can also change the order of options. Simply drag and drop them using the handle next to each option. Optionally, you can set a default value. Choose one of the created options from the drop-down list. After that, all new learners with this property will automatically receive the selected default value. Once all required fields are completed, click Create, and the property will then appear in the main properties table. Clicking on the property opens a page with a list of learners who have this property assigned, along with their selected values. To edit or add a value for a learner, click the pencil icon or the learner row, select the required value from the drop-down and click Save. If needed, you can edit or delete a property. To do this, click the three dots menu and choose the required action. While editing a property, you can change the label, update the list of options, or modify the default value. Please note, if an option is already assigned to at least one learner, it cannot be edited or deleted. You can also update the property directly from a learner's profile. To do this, open the learner profile and click Manage Properties. Select the required value from the drop-down and click Save. I hope that helped, and good luck with your Academy!